Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. I have already drawn your cards just to be able to save some time here. You might be asking yourself the question, how can I have a bigger impact in the world? It's very important, number one, that you need to realize that you are not alone. The universe is with you, but you need to wear a cloak of protection and love. So the moment that we actually expand our minds, or that we become more bad or negative energies tend to be attracted to that light. Therefore, wear more protection, even though you are protected already. Shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. You know what you need to do inside already. Do not resist your own power, but remember that you are here to do more in the world, that you can go forward by sharing your gifts. Oh, here's another card. Green Tara. You are protected. There's another one, you see? Another one. You are protected. Cords are being cut. You are probably cutting cords at this stage. And you are in the process of moving beyond your limitation. But it's incredibly important to trust your guides. Trust your intuition. Trust what you are capable of. Move freely. Connect with joy. You're doing great. Fantastic. So you see, the universe is basically telling you that you are doing great. Keep on going, guys. Awesome. Protect your home space from negative energies and entities. I don't know if you read cards. I don't know if you are seeing a lot of people on a regular basis, but this card is an indication that you need to clear out your space more often. This will also bring more harmony and peace in your life. And then, very important, be kind to yourself. You are doing just fine. Keep going. So you see, here's another card. So the universe has got your back, but forgive yourself for past mistakes. And remember that you are here to do something very, very important. So don't be too hard on yourself. Know that you are doing the work, and things are unfolding in the universe. Thank you guys for tuning in to another amazing timeless reading. Bye bye.